input parameters are there. So just we need to provide the which environments we need to execute that TMAG application and what scenario we need to execute is the single line EAP or single line with EAP without EAP or multi-line. So based on the scenario name, we need to provide the SIM numbers or IME numbers, available SIM numbers and available IME numbers. Based on the input data, it will read the data from Excel and invoke that particular single line activation and go through the application and we activate that scenario in our application, and finally the all data is stored in our
So till this are the inputs for the application, and once the script executes, the script retrieves the particular SSN, PIN, last name, the ban, NISTIN, and all which are to be retrieved from the application are exported back to the same sheet in these cells. And then you have a status, like if it is a pass or fail scenario. If it's a failure, the failure reason will be stored in the remark column. So now we can, we'll execute a single line activation. So we have to set this flag as white. And I'm saving the Excel sheet. This single line activation in turn stores various reusable actions, to log into the application, to launch the application. These are all reusable actions which can be used by any activation, like if it's a single line or multi-line, or you need to do an add a line in TMAG. You can use these reusable actions. This is just a one action which is present in a particular repository, and you call these reusable actions wherever it is required in your script, so that the reusability is more. These are stored in the external actions, and you have some common functions and some database functions are all stored in function libraries. And keeping a breakpoint to explain you how the script navigates. Now the Excel is imported to the QTP's data table. As we explain you, this is a syntax. You import a particular sheet. This is the Excel file name, and which sheet you have to import to your data table is through this syntax. You import the file and whatever sheet you want to export from the Excel and to the destination sheet in UFT. So now the Excel sheet is imported and it has focused on this particular row. So it reads all the columns and all the input parameters from this row. So the driver has now focused on single line activation, which in turn calls the launch application reusable function. And now you can see the login reusable function. So the script invokes TMAG application and gives the username and password which is provided in the data table in the Excel sheet, and reads through all the parameters and executes. it is relogging because as part of the script, we have also kept a checkpoint like to see if the till is opened in pause. Like if the till is closed in pause, you go ahead and open the till and then log out and relog into the application.
Jesse, any questions, Harrison?
Not right now.
Okay.
As you can see, like it has entered a particular SSN. So the way it works is like it refers to the database, like whichever SSN is already existing. So we need to give a new SSN, and this SSN is created through the script. And to know what SSN has been provided for the script, that is stored into a variable which is exported to the Excel sheet which I showed initially. So once the execution is over, when you open the Excel sheet, you can see what SSN the script has given as the input.
Okay.
Okay. If it is already present, then script will automatically take care and it will take the random SSN number and will provide it into the input.
Hmm. So will it always show you everything that it's doing while it's doing it? Or will it sometimes like go really fast and you won't see what's going on?
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
Does it always go slow enough for you to see everything that happens? Does it always show you everything, or does it sometimes go really fast and skip things, or just like not show it to you?
I mean, you're asking like, does it? Will we be able to see what all steps has been performed?
Yeah, just like right now, it's showing everything, and it's just automatically doing it itself.
Yes, automatically it will navigate to the screen, and once this data is entered, then it will go to the next navigation. If any error occurs, and it will throw the error, and the error message will be recorded in your Excel, and as well as we will capturing each and every screenshot, and will provide the screenshot as well, and that screenshot will be attached in our QC.
Okay.
Is there any way if you'd like it to wait or pause for a second, is there any way you can do that in the script?
Yeah, we can derive in the script. There are some sync points. Here, 3 types of syncs are there. Directly, we can use the sync SYNC that we can use for the until the next page loads. And if you want wait particular seconds, then we can use the wait keyword and can provide that particular number of seconds. How many seconds you need to wait? Wait of some 10 seconds or 5 seconds or 20 seconds. That we can use the wait method.
And it only measures in seconds?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like in between execution, if you want to pause your script, you can see like
Pause icon.
Pause
in the
icon
top of
over
the
here.
UFT.
Like it's the Roman letter 2. So you have to click on that, and the execution will pause. Suppose you want to see what is there in this page, you can just view this, and then if you want to continue execution, you can click on the
Continue button.